Dr. Richard Hamilton is a fifth-generation Hamilton, whose family of doctors, surgeons and winemakers came to Adelaide back in 1837. He's a Fellow of the Royal Australian College of Surgeons, which is the gold standard of plastic surgery training and qualification in Australia. It's safe to say this fully accredited plastic surgeon with such steep hometown roots understands exactly what cosmetic surgery patients in Adelaide are looking for.
Here people don't want the Hollywood or the Gold Coast or the East Coast look. They want natural results. They don't want to be overdone.
Dr. Richard Hamilton and his staff have been providing that natural, refreshed look and highly personalised care for his patients for more than 2 decades. Every surgery performed by Dr. Hamilton happens right here at this state-of-the-art facility known as Hamilton House.
The building has got lots of windows and I've set up beautiful gardens with roses and other plants, and this gives the patients a really wonderful aesthetic and relaxing outlook because they can see the roses, they can see the fruit trees.
In fact, Dr. Richard Hamilton himself handpicks and arranges the roses from his garden.
They're in the waiting room, they're in the consulting rooms and the treatment rooms, and it gives a really lovely environment.
But Hamilton House is about much more than just a warm and pleasant place to visit. The staff here is involved in virtually every aspect of every procedure.
We try to make every person feel that they're the only person that comes to these rooms. The whole experience from making the first telephone call to actually having the last visit should be all about them.
From the very beginning, the whole of their staff were very welcoming, very informative, very easy to get along with.
Hamilton House is fully equipped to handle the most important part of any surgery, patient safety.
Wherever you look, you'll see modern operating tables, modern sterilisers, instrument washers and the like, which are all part of patient safety.
The on-site surgical centre is a big bonus for many patients who like the privacy that you can't often find in a bigger city hospital-type setting.
I liked the fact that the theatre was right here in the building. That was an incredible experience on its own.
Patients like Josie, who had a breast augmentation, also appreciate one of the most unique aspects of the Hamilton House experience. After her surgery, she stayed here at 1 Narina Avenue, a recovery and early aftercare facility for Hamilton House patients who come from out of town. And it's located right next door.
I utilised the accommodation next door, and that was really handy. So it was nice just to be a few steps away and come back in for my appointment the next day and then head off home.
Whether it's breast augmentation, tummy tuck, rhinoplasty or other facial plastic surgery, Dr. Richard Hamilton has the education, background and years of experience to provide the absolute best results possible. He loves performing plastic surgery as much as he enjoys making fine wine at his Leconfield winery just south of Adelaide. To Dr. Richard Hamilton, plastic surgery and winemaking have a lot in common. It's all about science, aesthetics and balance.
It's all about balance and art and aesthetics, and I think they do marry together very well. I can't think of anything better than I'd want to do than being a plastic surgeon with interest in wine and having a lovely winery at Leconfield, Coonawarra and McLaren Vale.